Hey guys, so what we're gonna do today is we're gonna put my logo on my shirt, and I'm so glad you're here with me. So the first thing we're gonna do is heat up the shirt, get it nice and warm, and then we're going to put just a little bit further down. So a little bit further down. And as you guys know, I cut it out on my Cricut machine. I'm hoping it's where it should be. I'm gonna move it down just a bit because that's gonna be my logo out, my crafting group. And I'm gonna put it on the shirt. This up so you guys can see. Yeah. So I'm thinking about layering this. What I mean when I say layer, I have quite a few that I need to finish. So my layering consists of this. Well, this one is too big right here. This one here is too big. So layering means trying to make it look like a shadow, right? Sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. We're spending too much time doesn't take this long at all. Like I said, I believe this vinyl is old. So it's 170 for 30 seconds, and I have it set to. Some people do 15, but I always give it a little bit more. Which I don't have to, but I'm going to, just to make sure it sticks. And I have to do a two-step process only because I'm having a problem right here. There's another way you could have done it, but I don't have my scissors. I could have cut half. So you guys can see the shadow, right? Let me just pull this up so you guys can see what I was trying to achieve. You see the purple in the back? Yeah, that's how I wanted it to look. You can see the pink and then the purple in the back. It looks so cool when it's like this. And if you're doing an all white shirt and you want black and a royal blue or a dark blue or a baby blue, this would look so nice doing this technique right here. So let's try to fix this part up here. What we're going to do now is we're going to pull this off as nice and cool. Just like that. And that is so cute. This one here is actually ready to be worn. Just like this guy. Isn't that pretty? I love the glitter. I love the glitter. Look at that guy.